What do you need to be?
We're pretty proud of our performance. I think ang importante nito is makita ng tao na lumalaban na. Di halo nito eh, kahit naman sabihin nila, hindi naman nila mababago lang sila daw nila. Parang may nabasa na si Jerry at sila nila pero ang importante is fight every night, play at your best every night, prepare well, give the crowd, give the audience, give the basketball public the enjoyment that they're looking for when they want to see you play. Kami lang ang namin. And kahit anong mangyari, ang gusto mo, yung respeto pa sa lahat. You respect the game, you everything you have to win. Sometimes you have a bad night, sometimes you have a good night, that's part of basketball. But I think the public deserves that.